Talking about holiday plans. Learning English through conversation with grammar beats.
School gets over.
Hey, there is no school from tomorrow.
Yeah, it is a holiday.
Asking about holiday plans.
What are you going to do?
Visiting the village.
First, we will go to our village.
Traveling.
Wow, how will you go?
We will go by train.
More holiday plans.
What else will you do?
Next, we will visit our temple. Then I will meet all my relatives.
Changing the conversation.
What are you going to do?
Homework first.
First, I will finish my homework.
Playing with friends.
Then I will play with my friends.
We will race with our cycles and play kabaddi.
Saying goodbye.
Okay, make sure you have time to finish your homework.
Sure, I will. See you after the holidays. See you. Speak with me. Where are you going? What will you do on your trip? How long will it take? What are you going to do?
How will you spend time there? What will you do before that? Useful answers. I am going to. I will travel by. First, I will. Then I will also. It takes 2 hours.
I hope you enjoyed this conversation about holiday plans with Grammar Beats.